What's good, everyone? It's You'll Be Blessed here, making it clear, making it plain, opening up the heavens for my teaching is like spring rain. And today we're going to look at solubility of ionic compounds. Let's review the solubility rules. I typically use 7 rules for solubility. The first 4 rules focus on what is soluble or dissolves in water. The last 3 rules focus on what does not dissolve in water. As we start to see exceptions, that's when you know we're going to transition to the rules that are insoluble. Number 1, group 1 elements and ammonium NH4 are always soluble no matter what, no exceptions. Rule number 2, all nitrates, acetates, chlorates, and perchlorates are soluble. They dissolve in water, no exceptions. Number 3, all halides, that means it contains a group 17 element or a halogen. They dissolve in water. Exceptions to that rule are silver, lead, and mercury. The fourth rule is that all sulfates are soluble with the exception of calcium, strontium, barium, silver, and lead. This is the first half of our list of solubility rules for ionic compounds. Let's look to the second half where the focus is on what does not dissolve or is insoluble. Rule number 5, metal hydroxides do not dissolve in water with the exception of calcium, strontium, and barium. They weakly dissolve. Rule number 6, carbonates, phosphates, and silicates. If you have been following the rules in this order, then there are no exceptions to this rule. Finally, rule number 7, sulfides. All common sulfides are insoluble, with the exception of group 2 elements. So there you have it, the 7 solubility rules that I prefer to use over all the others. Now let's learn to apply the rules of solubility of ionic compounds. Let's look to this example of magnesium phosphate. It's simple. In order to use the solubility rules, we're just going to go down each rule one by one to see if the compound falls in line with the rule. So the question is, does magnesium phosphate contain a group 1 element or ammonium? That's a no. Magnesium's group 2. Let's continue. Does magnesium phosphate contain nitrate, acetate, chlorate, or perchlorate? That's a big no. Let's keep going. Does magnesium phosphate contain a halogen? No, it's phosphate. Let's keep it moving. Does it contain sulfate? No, it's phosphate. It's magnesium phosphate. Keep it moving. Is magnesium phosphate a metal hydroxide? So this rule doesn't apply. Finally, we get to carbonates, phosphates, and silicates. Oh my goodness, magnesium phosphate is a phosphate. That means that magnesium phosphate, being a phosphate, must not dissolve in water, based on rule number 6. Let's find out if barium nitrate dissolves in water according to the solubility rules. We simply just go down the list one by one just to check to see what is in this compound. Let's begin. Does barium nitrate contain a group 1 element or ammonium? No, not really. Let's keep it moving. Does barium nitrate contain a nitrate, acetate, chlorate, or perchlorate? I see it. I see the nitrate. It's barium nitrate. Therefore, because it contains nitrate, it must dissolve in water based on rule 2. Amazing, right? Let's find out if manganese 2 chloride dissolves in water according to the solubility rules of ionic compounds. Does manganese 2 chloride contain a group 1 element or ammonium? No. Let's keep moving. Does manganese 2 chloride contain nitrate, acetate, chlorate, or perchlorate? Nope. Got to keep it moving. Does manganese 2 chloride contain a halogen, an element from group 17? Chlorine, chloride. Ah, there it is. Therefore, because manganese 2 chloride contains a group 17 element, it must dissolve in water. Amazing, isn't it? Thanks for tuning in to You'll Be Blessed STEM Education. I hope you were blessed by the contents of this video. And if you were, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more teachings that feel like a refreshing spring rain.